Hello everyone. So today I am going to work on this simple gun HUD. So as you can see here in the bottom left corner, we can see a small icon of the rifle and the total ammo count and the loaded ammo count. So when I shoot, you can see the number of loaded ammo count is reducing, and when it becomes 0, another 30 of ammo will be loaded into the gun, and as you can see, total ammo count reduced to 30 to 40, and the loaded ammo count increased to 30. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So actually, as of the moment, I haven't worked on actual reload animations, only the function. Alright, let's see how to do this. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Right, so this is the simple design that I wish to implement. So let's first import the required textures. At the moment I have only the rifle, so let's start with the rifle. Okay, so under BP and UI we only have the reticle at the moment. So let me create another folder, UI assets, and I have created few textures for the pistol and for the rifle. So I'll import these two here. I imported them in white so that I can have any color I want by adding an overlay color. Okay, so now let's open our HUD. Actually in the HUD at the moment we only have the reticle, but I wish to move this reticle also into the widget of the gun. So yeah, for now I'll keep it like this, and I'll create a new widget blueprint. I'll call it WDG rifle. Okay, now under here let's have well, first I need a reference, so I'll save this image. No, without this, so only this part will be here. But actually, do I really need it? No, it's very simple. I don't think I need that. Right, so then let's import our rifle image like this, and I'll set the size to 250 by 100. And I'll anchor it to the bottom left, and as the position X I'll give 50, position Y I'll give 50. So I'll set the alignment Y to 1 and X as 0. So in that case position Y should be -50. Okay, now we have the gun like this. Actually it needs to be a little grayish. I'll call it gun image. like this. Point 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. I think that's good enough. And we need text, a text field to hold the number of ammo we have. So out of 900, so this first number gives us the total ammo count, and the second number gives us the loaded ammo count. Well, it doesn't look very good. Yeah, that's, I think, because of the font. What's the font we have here? Roboto. I think we need Arial. Right. We can actually, I do have Arial font in my PC. Arial rounded. I need the narrow version. Okay, a lot of fonts. Let's create another folder and move it. Move them to the fonts. Right now, okay, this one is better, right? And I left indent this. Similarly, let's anchor it. Like this. Position 200. Position Y minus 50. Oh, that's not. $5 and 220. I think that's good. Okay. Now how do we spawn? How do we add this to the UI when we start playing the game? So I want to embed this UI part also into the gun blueprint. So here, let's create a function equip gun. Now let's implement it. Here, let's create widget. I'll promote this to a variable. Call it gun widget. This should be in the type of rifle widget. Oh, this should be a not an object type. Actually, this should be a class reference. Let me delete this. Create widget. Here I'll select widget rifle. Now if I promote this to a variable, okay, rifle. Oh, we can't actually convert this to a WDG rifle. Class reference, yes, we can. Now the output would be rifle widget. That's what I wanted. And let's promote this to a variable. Let's call it gun widget. No. Let's name this one as gun widget class. So we can name it as gun widget. Okay, so now we should only create this if we don't have a valid gun widget, like this. If we have a valid gun widget, we don't need to create one. Otherwise we will have to create one. Then add to viewport the gun widget. The reason to add this part is because when we change the guns, let's say we switch from rifle to pistol and pistol to rifle, then if I haven't done this check, it will try to create the gun widget twice and add to screen, add to viewport. Right, now from the ch player, actually I haven't used equip gun yet. So let's go to the parent class, because this part would require can require for the NPC characters as well. So here we have the BP gun. No. And let's call get child actor well, actually it would have been much better if this gun is instead of a actor, if it has been a actor component. Yeah, so we can directly add this to the character instead of accessing the child actor, but it's okay for now. I want to do the change here. So in the player, camera properties, yeah, and after that I'll get the BP gun, get child actor, and call equip gun. Compile. See, now we do have the gun widget in the bottom left corner, and it doesn't update the number of ammo or anything yet, but we can work on that later. So actually, yeah, I think we should change this to actor component. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's try that then. Instead of actor, let's call actor component. Oh, we can't have that. Yeah, if I can't do it, then I won't do it. Alright, so then to make things simpler, I'll create a variable in the in the construction script. Get the BP gun, get child actor, promote to a variable. I'll call it rifle. Then I should be able to replace this child actor with rifle. Let's see. Yeah, it still works without an issue. And here also we can use rifle. Okay, right, now let's look into updating part. So in the BP gun, I'll add a new variable in the type of integer. I'll call it ammo count, and another integer loaded ammo count, and another integer magazine capacity. Right. Let's implement another function using the BPI gun reload. So let's call it reload gun, because we would need another event with the same name reload, but it will be only for playing the animation of reload. Right, now as the default values for the ammo count I'll give 300, and for the loaded ammo count 0, and for the magazine capacity 30. When we reload, when we reload, we need to subtract the amount that going into the loaded ammo count. So the maximum value that we can have for the loaded ammo count is the magazine capacity. So how do we do that? Like this: set ammo count, like this, get the ammo count and subtract the magazine capacity and add the loaded ammo count. This part is to make sure, let's say like we already have 5 ammos in 5 bullets in the ammo count, in the loaded ammo count, and then only 25 bullets should be taken from the main ammo count. So that's why I re-added this one. Okay, and then we can't do it like this, because we need to consider for situations like, let's say we don't have anything in the loaded ammo count, or we have less than the magacity in the ammo count. So what happens then? No, this is we should do it. How we should do it? From the magazine capacity, subtract the loaded ammo count. So this gives us the number of ammo required to fill the loaded ammo count to full magazine capacity. Then subtract this number from the full ammo count, like this. So if this number is larger than 0, that means we still have more than enough ammo to fill up the magazine, the loaded magazine. So right, we are going to set this number like this: clamp between minimum 0 and maximum. Let's say we haven't defined a max ammo count. For that I'll give 300 and set. And we need to set loaded ammo count also. So we have to select this if based on this value. If this value is larger than 0, that means we have more than enough ammo. So that means the magazine capacity. Otherwise, we should first set the loaded ammo count before setting the ammo count, otherwise our calculation can go wrong. Otherwise what we can have is whatever left in the ammo count plus the whatever left in the loaded ammo count. Alright. And when we equip the gun, let's call reload as a we need to actually set the widget accordingly. So in this widget, let's create a custom event, update ammo count. So this is just a text, but let's set this as a variable so we can access it. We can't have string operations here, so string to text. Okay, now here we can have a append. So in the middle I'll put this divider, and this one I'll promote as ammo count. So this should be a integer, and another parameter loaded ammo count. I'll call this total ammo count. And set the text like this. Now from the gun, let's create another function, update ammo count. Right, here what we will do is we have the gun widget, update ammo count. So here let's input the ammo count, which is the total ammo count. I'll call it total ammo count, and the loaded ammo count. And after the reload we can call update ammo count to update the UI. See, now we have 300 total ammo count and 30 loaded, but when I shoot, this is not updating yet. So let's do that part now. Where is the fire? Here. So before firing, I need to make sure that there are enough ammo. So let's do something like this. We need to check the ammo count first. So get the loaded ammo count and check if it is larger than 0. Let's have a branch. Only if it is larger than 0 we can continue, but I'll collapse this to a macro called check ammo. If it is larger than 0, I can decrement the ammo count, loaded ammo count, and call update ammo count to update the UI part. Otherwise I have to call reload. Right, now let's see what happens. See, the number is reducing. Oh, reload doesn't do the job. Reload didn't actually reduce the number of total ammo count. So let's see what happened there. Well, actually after the reload we can't continue because we have to wait until the reloading is finished, and then only if we do we have any do once nodes here. No. Okay, then let's break this and add another output, and this one reloading. Right, actually here what happens is we need a temporary variable to update this. Otherwise this result of this part will always be 0. Or we can do another trick to avoid adding another variable. We can first set total ammo count with the total ammo count plus the loaded ammo count and put it there, and then set loaded ammo count back to 0. Then it should work without any issue. Some of these parts will be redundant now, but let's see. No. Right, then we don't really need to have this part. Yeah, it is working now. Alright, so I'm gonna stop this episode right here. Now in the next episode, let's see how to actually add a reload animation and how to do the actual reload action. And also when we run out of ammo, we should not be able to shoot. So we need some kind of a notification to like no ammo or something. Right, so here is the final demonstration. And actually on second thought, I thought maybe gun also I should keep full white for now, so I'll change it. so actually a little gray. Then the other elements. Oh wait, that's bug. Oh, I have to restart. Right, so here is the final version. Okay, so I'm going to stop it right here. Right, and yeah, the project files will be available for the download here in the Patreon page. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. Thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.